XRP holders, I've got a video for you guys. Today I'm going to be talking about my six-figure, nearly a $200,000 XRP trade. I'm also going to be talking to you about why I'm so bullish on XRP and what's going on. There's a lot of XRP news we got to be talking about. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now. Thanks for stopping by. Let's hop into this video. All right, we are going to start off here on crypto Twitter, and the Central Bank of India has announced plans to begin accepting payments in the cryptocurrency XRP, guys. So let's rewind a couple weeks ago. You remember I was talking about Japan. 80% of all Japanese banks were getting ready to integrate Ripple Labs tools, aka integrating XRP. 80% of all the Japanese banks, all right? And I was saying, you think that's it? That Ripple, the CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, is just going to stop there? No. So now we're talking about India, guys. What's next? It's going to be slow at first and all at once, guys. It's a very exciting time here, and this is why I'm so bullish and why I keep saying I'm buying XRP underneath $3, because I do think there's a great long-term hold opportunity here for XRP. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, but I just tell you guys what I'm doing, and I put my money where my mouth is. And I also want to say, so we got to talk about this lawsuit. You can follow me at 333BlackSea on Twitter. I say one day the XRP Ripple lawsuit is over. The next day it is not. It will end, and it will be glorious for XRP holders. Patience is key, guys. Patience is key. In investing, it's very important to be patient, especially when you have high conviction in a certain investment, all right? We have XRP and the SEC, right? The 5-year-long lawsuit. The SEC was trying to make an example out of Ripple. And now we're coming to an end of that. That's an end of an era. We're moving into the era of a more crypto-friendly regulatory environment, guys. AKA XRP is not going to be held down any longer. We'll be getting ready to set up to a massive move to the upside. You can see what the CEO is doing of Ripple. Brad Garlinghouse. He is integrating Ripple into countries. Big business. It's a very exciting time. So I'm bullish, and I'm in nearly a $200,000, 80,547 XRP trade here. It's a long position. I'm up about $7,500, and I think that I'm going to be adding to this trade below $3. I saw a little opportunity to add some more. I'm getting ready to add more as well, and I'm going to show you my different levels here and why I'm bullish on it and why I think that right now is a good time to be long XRP. And like I said, I'm going to be taking profit along the way. I've already realized about $500 for trading fees. And I'm probably going to keep this open, boom or bust. So whether we break above $3 or we come down, I'm going to be profitable because I'm just going to keep raising my stop loss up. So really, it's a win-win. Either I'm going to win a little bit or I'm going to win a lot of it. And so it's a very exciting trade to be in right now. And if you guys do want to trade as well and you want to get some free XRP, check out in the description box below or pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-in bonus to Blowfin, my favorite leverage trading platform that I like to use, which is where I have my trade open right now. All you have to do is click that link, deposit, trade a bit. You get a bunch of free money. If you deposit $100, you get $10 for free of XRP. And they're always running a lot of awesome promotions as well. I believe if you trade X amount of trading volume, you get a Tesla Model 3, which is worth about $30,000. There's a lot of incentives. You know, you can make money leverage trading, and on top of that, there's also bonuses from Blowfin. So take advantage of it, guys. Let's talk about XRP here, these levels and why I'm so bullish. We're sitting at a $2.42. We're up about 2.44% in the past 7 days. Guys, right now, Bitcoin is mooning, all right? We're almost at $107,000. When I started recording this, we were at like 105, and we're starting to see some moves. And it is Sunday at the time of recording this video, and usually Sundays you get some scam pumps. But as of right now, it looks like we're going to see some continuation here. And I think that this is an indication that we're probably going to be seeing quite a volatile week to come. And guys, let's take a little bit of a deeper look into XRP here. Sitting at $142 billion market cap, still 50 cents, 60 cents, really 58 cents below $3. I think it's a buy. I'm buying. I'm adding to my long position. I have a $2,000 XRP long position right now because I think that $3 is a target. And I think we'll probably blow past that. But in the short term, guys, I am an altcoin trader and I am a Bitcoin investor. I trade altcoins to get more Bitcoin. That is my prerogative, all right? That's just me being frank with you. So why am I bullish here? What are these levels? Look at this, all right? We have bounced off of $2.36 perfectly, okay? And I was saying this is a very important line to be holding up. And guys, look at this green candle here on the daily. It's opening green. We just had our daily candle closure. That's probably why Bitcoin is making a big move. We just literally like 8 minutes ago had our daily candle closure. Guys, I think it's going to respect this line, and I think that we're going to be probably coming up to test near $3. I think that's a very appropriate level. And guys, if we reach up to $3 on XRP and Bitcoin is holding up well and it's before the end of 2025, I do expect a test of all-time highs at $3.30. And honestly, if we start to test around that level, I expect a further continuation higher. And I will look at this as one massive consolidation, really just getting us ready for somewhere around $5.50. And guys, there is money to be made here. If you're trading, if you're just buying and holding, there's money to be made. Take advantage of this volatility, especially when Bitcoin is trying to test all-time highs. Man, it might hit all-time highs this week, honestly. I said that we need to consolidate for a little bit longer, like into the end of May, but it might just be going all the way here. We might just be setting up, and you have a green dot here on Market Cypher on Bitcoin below the 60 line, I may say, on the daily. I really like to see us sitting above the 60 line, especially on the weekly. Like, that is kind of like my bull market territory. If we can get above the 60 line on the weekly with the momentum wave on Market Cypher, I would say, yeah, guys, we're probably heading to new all-time highs. And you look at this, guys, weekly candle closure, all-time highs. We have an all-time high weekly candle closure. It just happened just now. Breaking news here. And I do think that you're going to see this spill over into XRP. This is looking very, very bullish here. This does not look like a lower high. This is a higher high now, officially. So I think it's exciting times for XRP, guys. I'm going to continue to add to my six-figure trade. I'm going to continue to try to max out on this volatility. When the market is cooking up like this and you're seeing lots of volatility, I try to hammer the leverage. I try to make as much money, extract as much as I can out of crypto so I can absorb and buy as much Bitcoin as possible, guys. And yes, I'm bullish on XRP, and I will love to hold XRP. But when I'm leverage trading, guys, I'm taking that profit to Bitcoin. Let me know in the comments below. Are you bullish on XRP? What do you think? Are we going to all-time highs here by the end of 2025? I think that there's a great chance of that, especially based on where Bitcoin is headed here. Really all the fundamentals that are happening with Brad Garlinghouse pushing Ripple into, we have India now. India central banks going to be accepting XRP. Big deal. We have all of the Japanese banks integrating Ripple. Big deal. We have the SEC versus really Ripple, I should say. I was going to say XRP, but the SEC versus Ripple Labs lawsuit, it will come to an end. We're on the verge of it, guys. It will come to an end. One day it's over, the next day it's not. One day it's over. Right now we're in the section of it's over. So I do think that regardless, guys, be patient. It's going to come to an end, and you're going to see fireworks. If you like this type of content, guys, hit that like button. Follow me at 333 Black Sea on Twitter. I'm bullish. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.